Hi guys, okay, I'm gonna narrate you through my sway. It's exactly like the PowerPoint I made, just a little different. This is my beginning slide. It says English final assignment. The first slide I did was sentences, and I made a little word art right here. It has all the words that you would expect to be when you're talking about the types of sentences. Also, I have the next slide that talks about simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, and compound complex sentences, along with an example of each. Then I have my MLA 8th edition format, and I just kind of put bullet points of everything you need for that. I also had a little meme that said, your sources, good, let's avoid the catastrophe of plagiarism. In-text citations, this is really all you need for that. Then next is works cited page. These are the things you need for a works cited page. And then same with annotated bibliography. These are all the things you need. I also use in-text citations in every single one of the slides. For literature review, I enjoyed talking about this. I loved the video we had to make for the assignment, so I kind of just summed that up using different words. Types of essays was one of my favorites too because I loved talking about it. I added a little picture in the side and then I explained the types of essays with a short little description. I also added my Canva that I made, my infographic, but I was having trouble embedding it in here, so I sort of just added what it is in images of my infograph. I kind of made it short. Then I added the video that we had in our PowerPoint. I added a link as well. Oh, oops. I added a link as well as adding the video in here that for anybody to watch. I added my cited sources, which I tended to use a lot during this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for listening.